In this video, viewers can expect to learn how to use Microsoft Word. As you can see here, I have a blank document in order to create citations and a works cited. So I'm going to show you first, it's in References is the tab you'll want to go to. And then first thing I might want to do is insert a citation, add a new source. You can't cite them unless they're a source. So here you choose your type of source. I'm going to do the same one as I did for Google Docs in an earlier video. I'm going to start with a website. Now I'm going to edit the authors. Remember, I had like 4 authors if you were watching before. Oop. So we're going to have to bring those up. Jeff Hemsley, Jenna Jacobson. So Hemsley, Jeff, add Jacobson, Jenna, add, there's some Anna Toyley. Okay, so we've got this guy here. I'm just going to copy that and we'll paste it all in there, and then I'll just cut and paste his first name there. And then the last one was, oh, Philip Mai, I think. M-A-I, Philip. Add. Okay, so now I have all 4 authors. There they are. The name of the web page. The name of this web page was Social Media for Social Good or Evil. So there's that, and it was by Sage Journals. We'll probably need that. Name of the website, Sage, all caps, Journals, lowercase. And the year was 2018, July the 19th, and then we'll just need the URL, which was here. Control C, copy that, and back to Word, Control V, paste it. Okay, so there is an in-text citation. So if I would have used something from their article and I wanted to direct quote something they said, I could copy it. I could, oof, I don't like that at the very beginning. Paste it. Remember, you always have to have your quotation marks if you have copied and pasted anything they said. And then there is your in-text citation giving them the credit they're due. So I pretend I have went through my whole paper and I've written it all, and now I want to go ahead and add my bibliography. Right now I'm in APA. I can change this. I really want to do MLA, and I want it to be a works cited. There it is. Entered for me. Always start your works cited on a new page. And if I have added more things since I created this works cited, I can come right down here and update my citations and my bibliography. Okay, so if I've made changes up here, I can do that there. So that is how you can add citations, get your in-text citations, and you can cite sources as you go along using this method in Microsoft Word. Is it easier than Google Docs? I don't know. I mean, I think both of them are pretty good. Maybe I liked Google Docs just a little bit better with the little cite button right over here, but they both do the job.